If your makeup is melting off your face the minute that you step outside into this heat and humidity, then stop your scroll. Today I am showing you how to get the sun protection that you need, the coverage that you need without thick, cakey, creasy makeup. I have 4 products. I'm going to show you how I apply them and how I look beach ready, especially at the age of 61, without looking caked on, without looking like I'm a greasy mess, and without the makeup melting off my face. As a matter of fact, this is not makeup. Let's get into this video. As we age, the last thing that we want to do is go outside with cakey makeup on in the heat of the day, or the pool, or the beach. You're going to look ridiculous as the makeup is just melting off your skin, but we still need the sun protection. So I have here 4 products. They are from ColorScience. This video is not sponsored. I just love ColorScience. I've been using their glow forever. You can use the flex, you can use the glow, you can mix them. It matches to the skin tone as you apply it. It has a slight tint, and it's beautiful on. Before I go out in any sun, before I go out in the heat of the day, pool, beach, wherever, I apply it to my face liberally, just as I would any other sunscreen. And I do use a lot. You're going to place it down on your neck. You're going to place it up under your eyes. But what I want to show you is how beautiful this product is. It's free of parabens, it's free of sulfates, it's free of oils, dyes, and fragrance. It dries down even though it looks glowy. There is no stickiness. There is no greasiness. When I started this video, I had no products on my skin. For those of you that are really super dry, put your moisturizer on first, then apply this. Now, for the under eyes, let's talk about those pesky little under eyes. This is the ColorScience Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Therapy. It is wonderful for dark circles. It comes out in this little dispenser, which is a cool tip. You can actually apply it right on your eye. You can keep this in the refrigerator, and if you have puffy eyes, put it directly on the puffy part. But the best part about this is that it is a corrector. It has a peachy undertone, so it is going to correct, it is going to protect. I place that right up under my eyes. You can put as much as you want. The last thing you want to do is put something up under your eyes that's going to crease, crack, and settle into your fine lines and wrinkles. I am not about that. Remember, my philosophy is, if you're new to this channel, less is more. Let me know in the comments what you do when you go to the pool. Do you wear a full face of makeup? Do you go bare-skinned? A lot of people do not want to go out without their makeup, and these products, they solve that problem. Look at how beautiful my under eyes look with very little product. I can wear this all day long. This is not going to crease. This is not going to settle. This is a broad spectrum SPF 35. It's great for delicate skin. It brightens and corrects your dark circles. It comes in 4 shades. I have the medium. You reapply it throughout the day as needed. It immediately brightens and reduces puffiness. You can wear it all the way around your eye. You can even put it on your eyelids. Who in the heck? Tell me one person. Comment below. One person you know that goes to the pool or the beach with eyeshadow on. Honestly. Instead of doing that, wear this. It's going to protect you. It's going to give you that color corrector that you need. Don't I look like I'm just lit from within? I don't have any makeup on. I have SPF on. I have products on that are going to be working behind the scenes to help me have a glowier, more beautiful, lit from within look. I have 2 more products here. I have a blush and a lipstick combination, and I also have a powder SPF from the same brand that are going to blow your mind. I know these products are a little bit more expensive, but they're worth it. They're science-backed, and the ingredients are impeccable. You don't have to worry whether or not you're getting a true solid formula with these products. You just know you are. You know that you're getting the best of the best. I love the way my skin looks right now, and I've only had 2 products put on. That's crazy. This is ColorScience's Color Balm. And I can't get over this product either. You can wear this alone, or you can wear this with the flex or the matte or the glow, whatever you desire. But I love it with it because this is going to give you that full face makeup feel without looking like a cakey mess. So this is the Sun Forgettable Total Protection Color Balm SPF 50. I have it today in the pink sky. And it comes in this little stick, and that is the pink sky. It blends lovely. It is cream based. You can apply it to your lips, And you can apply it to your cheeks. Remember, as we get older, we don't want to go too far down on our cheeks or our blush is going to be in our mouth. We don't want that. We just want a little bit of that glow to come through. I love being at the beach or the pool or going out during the day, and I don't have to worry about whether my makeup is going to fall off my face. Look at how that just gave me just a little bit of radiance. This product comes in 6 shades plus 2 luminizers. There's a bronze luminizer and there's a glow luminizer. You wear it exactly like I showed you. It is a lipstick. You can wear it over under your eyes. You can wear it over here if you want a little bit of like that sun-kissed bronzy effect. Put these in your purse, carry it to the pool, carry them to the beach. With any SPF, you have to reapply. It doesn't take anything because these products melt into your skin effortlessly. You can use a makeup brush to apply this, but it's not necessary. All of this is just SPF and a color corrector up under my eye. I didn't use any foundation. I didn't use any concealers. If you're thinking, oh, this is a little bit too glowy, Kim, I got you covered. For those that do not like that cream base, for those of you that don't like the glow, you don't like the liquid, ColorScience makes the powder. It is the exact same coverage as their liquids. And I love this because you can use this in addition to the glow or the matte or the flex and just use it over. You just tap it and see how it mattifies that gloss. But it is an SPF 50. It says to buff it into your skin. I use it up on my ears, down my neck, on my chest. See how it just took that glow down just a little bit? Pop this in your pocketbook. You see all the product? And it's just a powder. It doesn't settle into your fine lines and wrinkles. If you want a little bit more blush, for those of us that are going out of town or traveling or going to the pool, we want something that looks pulled together, but we know that we're not wanting makeup because makeup is too heavy. We're not wanting to apply a moisturizer and then a sunscreen and then a foundation. Let me know in the comments what it is that you're doing in the summer to beat the heat. I live in Middle Tennessee and it is 107 heat index. And these products here, they're game changing in that they're not only protecting you SPF wise, but it makes you look put together. It makes your skin look beautiful. It gives you that lit from within glow without wearing the cakey powders, the cakey concealers, and the cakey foundations. We don't want that anymore in our lives at the age of 60, 50, even in our 40s. Aren't we done with that look? I know I am. I'm going to link these 4 products for you in the description box below. We're trying to beat the heat without a lot of effort, without a lot of makeup, without a lot of product. These are the products that I'm bringing to my beach when I go on vacation. Let me hear from you. If you have not subscribed, I've got 86% of you watching me without subscribing. You can be notified when I upload videos every week. I'm here to help you as we age with a less is more approach. I love all of you, and I will be there in the comments to address any concerns that you have, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you're using in the summer to beat the heat. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.